Hey guys, how's it going? Alex here with Big Money Theory. I hope you're doing well. If you're new to the channel, welcome. If not, welcome back. And I really hope that it's warmer at your place than it is at mine. So at my place it is right now minus 25 and feels like minus 35. But look at the weather forecast for the coming days. So you can see that on Tuesday night we're gonna have minus 34. So that's gonna be pretty chilly, but it will feel like minus 44. For our friends from United States, minus 44 is minus 47 in Fahrenheit. That's very, very cold. So anyways, before we dive into the stocks I chose for you for next week, leave a like, drop a comment, consider subscribing to the channel. That will help to grow the channel and help me share the knowledge with more people. And now let's get into the stocks I've chosen for you for today. So the first stock we're going to talk about is Single Point Inc., ticker SING. We can see that this company was moving nicely for the past month. They started trading on January 21st, and then went up like crazy, but then they leveled out and they were kind of trading sideways, and now they're going up again. So what is this company? This Single Point is a company that builds solar roofs and installs solar roofs all across the United States. They are growing rapidly. The very interesting thing about them right now is that they have exclusive limited time offer. So you put zero money down, no upfront costs, free installs, all kind of incentives, and you can save the money on your energy bills pretty much right away. So a couple more things about this company. In the news on January 28th, they announced that they don't have any more debt, which is big for the company, and they think that this improves the balance sheet significantly and that it will attract more investors to the company, which is pretty big for the company. Another good news that just came out on February 2nd is that they finalized acquiring the company called EnergyWise, and they will be adding their team and their business to their business. So one of the reasons why they acquired EnergyWise is because EnergyWise transforms the solar installation experience for both homeowners and contractors. The company is led by a group of experts with deep history in acquiring and developing solar leads for some of the national largest solar companies, including Vivint Solar, SunEdison, Circus Solar, Radix, and more. And these guys, the main selling point for these guys is that only 4% of the residential solar addressable market in the United States actually has solar powers. And I believe that now when we enter that new EV era, renewable energies and solar energy era, it's very smart to invest in the companies that actually build solar panels. We can also see that on stock tweets, about 2,500 people following this company, and majority of those people actually bullish. Now, if you look at the chart, these guys went up 37% on Friday, but after hours they dipped 26%. So that creates a very good entry point. So if you believe in this penny stock, if you believe in this company, now because it's going through the 26% correction, might be a good entry point to buy the stocks for this company. Next company I'm going to be talking to you about is Medical Marijuana Inc. These guys went up nicely, 143% for the past month. Well, the interesting news, this is the first ever publicly traded cannabis company in the United States. And just on January 19th, the Global Brands magazine announced that CEO of the company, Dr. Stuart Titus, has been named as the winner of 2020 Best Business Leader in the United States. The more important news, though, is on January 25th, they announced that they are launching several new products in the United States and in Europe, which is big. So they are opening up a new market for them, and they can grow exponentially from now on. If we look at their financials, we can see that starting from 2015 up to now, the total revenue is growing constantly. It's almost kind of doubling every year, except maybe from 2018, 2019. Now, there is also a lot of talks about legalizing MJ in the United States. So I think that their profit going to go up even higher. We can say that their income from continuing operations was negative for the past few years, and finally in 2019 they jumped up, and it was quite a big difference. You can see they went from $200 million negative to $84 million positive. So their financials is looking great, and I think these guys can go up pretty significantly. Now, another thing, when we look at the 5 days chart, those guys went up 150% within past 5 days. But what is interesting to me is on Friday, they went up, just Friday alone, 34%, but then they corrected 24%. So this also kind of creates an interesting entry point. So if you believe in this penny stock again, and if you believe in this medical marijuana company, then Monday might be interesting, point of time when you can actually jump into the stock, because they just got the correction on the last trading day in last week. And on the stock tweaks, you can see that message volume has increased, and there are about 2,000 people watching this company, and a lot of people actually bullish on this company. So we can see that stock grows much more next week. And the last company I'm going to be talking to you about is Global Battery Metals, ticker REZZF. Those guys are going up crazy. They went up 535% within past month. And we can see that they reached their peak on February 4th. There was 420% within 5 days, but then they had a correction again. It was 22%. So once again, this company might have an interesting entry point on Monday, because they just went through the correction. So this company is a mineral exploration company. We focus on metals that make up and support the rapid evolution of battery power. They have currently 5 projects. 1 is in Ireland, 3 in the United States, and 1 in Peru. So this company is the riskiest out of the 3 I mentioned today. They don't really have any big news, and they don't have too much information about what they do. But they are one of those companies that mines the materials for the batteries. They focus on lithium, nickel, and copper properties, and they can easily perform as one of those companies that I mentioned on my channel before, American Resources Corp or ABML. So there's quite a hype on those companies right now on the market. There are about 4,000 people watching this company on stock tweets. And despite the correction in price, the message volume actually increased. So there are more people bullish. And again, because they had that drop down of 23% on the last trading day, this might be a good entry point on Monday for this company. And this is it for me, guys. Thank you so much for watching. If you like what you heard, please leave a like, drop a comment, consider subscribing. That will help the channel grow. If you feel like you want to support the channel directly, there's a link to the Patreon in the description below. I post daily what stocks I buy and sell, and what options I do. You'll also get the access to the Discord channel, where I talk about the stocks in real time with my subscribers. Thank you so much for your time. I really appreciate you guys. Just a quick reminder that this video was made for entertainment purposes only. The penny stocks are high risk, high reward trades. So you can make a lot of money, but you can also lose a lot of money trading penny stocks, simply because the market cap of the company is very small and volatility on the market is really high. Please be cautious, do due diligence. I'm here only introducing the stocks to you. Thank you so much for your time. I really appreciate it, and have a great trading week.